Welcome to the seventh session of Module 5. In this session, we are going to discuss about names versus addresses, issues in address management, distributed address assignment, content-based addresses, and geographic addressing. Names versus addresses. Names that will denote or refers to things, nodes related to nodes, networks, data, or transactions. Often, but not always, they are unique, globally, or network-wide or local. In ad hoc sense, nodes we are going to use WSN, while SNs are networks. Those nodes that will transmit the data. Addresses. So the information needed to find these things. So for example, street addresses, IP addresses, MAC addresses. Often but not always unique, globally, network-wide and local. Addresses often hierarchical because of their intended use in example routing protocols. Services to map between names and addresses, so we are going to use examples DNS. Sometimes the same data serves as a name and address. IP addresses are prominent examples. Issues in address management, address allocation, that's going to take place. Assign an entity an address from a given pool of possible addresses. So we have centralized address management, we have distributed address management. So DHCP, so that is centralized address management. So that is going to be used for local networks for a shorter area. For example, for the Wi-Fi connection, temporarily to connect to the Wi-Fi, so we can use the protocol that is DHCP. Address deallocation, once address no longer that is used, then we can keep that address, put it back into the address pool. So why? Because the address that may be used by the same address that may be used by some other node or the station. So because of the limited pool size. Graceful or abrupt depending on the node action. Conflict detection and resolution. So that comes under duplicate address detection. What to do when the same address is assigned multiple times? It can happen. Example, when the two networks merge. One network that assigned particular address and another network also assigned the same address. So there the conflict that is going to occur. So that has to be resolved. So we have the term binding, that is about map between addresses used by different protocol layers. So example for that is IP addresses are bound to MAC address by address resolution protocol. Distributed address assignment, option 1, we have let every node randomly pick an address for given size of address space. Unacceptable high risk of duplicate addresses. So we can refer the chapter for the exercise problem. So we have second option, avoid addresses used in local neighborhood. Option 3 is repair any observed conflicts. So temporarily pick a random address from a dedicated pool and a proposed fixed address. Send an address request to the proposed address using temporary address. If address reply arrives, proposed address already exists. Collision in temporary address unlikely, as only used briefly. Option 4 is that is similar to 3, but use a neighbor that already has a fixed address to perform requests. So this is about the distributed address assignment, and we have content based address. We can recall that paradigm change from IT centric to data centric networking in WSN. We are going to use the data centric networking in WSN rather than the address centric or ID centric address network. So it is supported by content based names or addresses. It do not described involved nodes. That will not be known always. Anyway, so that will not be known. But the content itself, the interaction is about. So we concentrate on the content and not on the particular node or particular station. Classical option, put a naming scheme on top of IP addresses. This will be done by some middleware systems. Content based addressing describe interests. So interest that will describe about the relevant data or the event that will be used, example by directed diffusion. Nodes match these interests with their locally observed data. So we can have the attribute value of operation for the format to measure the particular temperature. So attribute is temperature and the value is 20 degrees Celsius, and what is the operation that has to be done. It may be attributes, may be temperature, or it may be pressure, or it may be concentration, and what operation that has to be done. So we have geographical addressing. So this will express addresses by denoting physical position of nodes by the geography. It can be regarded as a special case of content based addresses. Attributes for x and y coordinates and maybe z, two dimensional or three dimensional. Options are single point, circle or sphere centered around a given point, rectangle by two corner points, polygon or polytope by list of points. So we can address geographically. These contents that I obtained from the Protocols and Architectures for Wireless Sensor Network textbook that is written by Holger Karl and Andreas Williams. Thank you.